George ni mkulima wa ng'ombe za maziwa kutoka Kinangop, Nyandarua County. Ido na plani ya kuexpand my daily business.
One of our players to win big and have an amount which is life changing, but at the same time just shows our commitment for the market and to tell them that we are here to stay and BetSafe is just about winners. We have George. We wish him all the best, as he starts now his new life as a millionaire. So that, but we will guide him. We'll be with him every step of the way to make sure that he makes the right decisions with his money, and we'll provide all the financial advice.